In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a channel on Slack step by step. Whether you're cleaning up unused channels, reorganizing your workspace, or removing a channel that's no longer needed, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and clear way. This works on Slack in 2026 and is perfect for workspace admins and channel owners. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where the channel exists. You can do this either through the Slack desktop app or directly in your browser by going to the Slack homepage. Once Slack is open, look at the left sidebar where all of your channels are listed. From here, click on the channel that you want to delete. Make sure this is the correct channel because once a channel is deleted, it cannot be recovered. After opening the channel, move your attention to the top of the screen where the channel name is displayed. Click on the channel name or the options menu next to it to reveal additional settings. In the menu that appears, look for the option called More Actions and click on it. This will open a drop-down with more advanced options for managing the channel. From the More Actions menu, click on Edit Settings. This will take you to the channel settings page where you can manage permissions, visibility, and deletion options. Scroll down within the channel settings until you find the option that says Delete this channel. Slack places this option near the bottom to prevent accidental deletions, so take your time and double-check that this is the correct channel. Once you're ready, click on Delete this channel. Slack will now show you a confirmation screen to make sure you understand what you're about to do. On this screen, you'll see a checkbox that you must select to confirm that you want to permanently delete the channel and all of its messages. Click on the checkbox to acknowledge this warning. Finally, click on Delete Channel button to complete the process. Slack will immediately delete the channel and it will no longer appear in your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a channel on Slack. Before you go, remember that only workspace admins or channel creators usually have permission to delete channels, so if you don't see this option, you may need to contact your admin. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.